This video will explain the evidence-based instructional strategy known as the token economy. Our presentation is tailored for educators interested in implementing the program in a secondary classroom setting. It is especially useful for managing and improving behaviors in children and adolescents if used correctly. The token economy. What is it? The token economy is an evidence-based instructional strategy that is derived from the principles of operant conditioning outlined by B.F. Skinner. Skinner's theory behind operant conditioning suggests that behaviors can be systematically controlled through environmental stimuli. He posits that behavior modification is most effectively done through positive reinforcement. In this sense, the token economy changes adolescent behaviors through the administration of tokens for good behavior. The essential components of a token economy are the targeted behaviors, reinforcers, and the tokens themselves. Targeted behaviors are essentially the behaviors that educators deem acceptable. These behaviors, for example, can range from punctuality, high homework completion rates, to positive cooperation skills. Reinforcers are the physical rewards that students deem attractive. Examples of reinforcers might range from homework passes, gift certificates, confectionaries to school supplies. Tokens are reinforcers that are merely used as currency for students in exchange for material rewards. Who does it work with? The research on token economies show that they are effective and work well with students with exceptionalities. These include students with ADHD, autism, behavioral issues, developmental disorders, and undermotivated students. Research also shows that they can be implemented in diverse classrooms, which in essence encompasses all students. So how do we effectively implement a token economy in our classrooms? Robinson, Newby, and Ginzel outline an effective 8-step program in effectively implementing a token economy system. Step 1. Teachers need to determine the problem behaviors targeted for change. In order to identify behaviors, they should be clearly defined in a clear, specific, and observable manner. If they are academically related, they should represent academic products rather than behavior. For example, the number of times homework is completed. Step 2. Teachers should develop a method for keeping track of tokens or points. For adolescents, points, numbers, or check marks should be used over physical tokens. Step 3. Powerful rewards should be identified. In order for the reward to be motivating, it must be perceived by the students as desirable and worth working for. Step 4. Teachers should establish appropriate goals needed to obtain each reward. They should initially be set at a level that is easily achieved and then slowly increased in difficulty level. Step 5. The program needs to be explained to all the students involved in the system. Essentially, this could be the whole class. Students will need to know how to successfully perform the behaviors in order for tokens to be earned. Step 6. Teachers need to decide how tokens will be distributed among students. They should allow for periodic student feedback or progress reporting. Step 7. Teachers will need to provide the rewards and model how rewards can be obtained. Tokens need to be distributed consistently and in an accurate manner. Step 8. If necessary, the program should be changed if it is not being implemented successfully. The number of tokens required for a reward can be increased or decreased pending students' progress. If behaviors worsen, teachers should return to the previous system. Over several years of implementation and observation, reviews of token economies have generally been positive. Iwata and Bailey in 1974 found that token systems are highly effective in maintaining social and academic classroom behavior. In 1997, Miltenberger found that token economies appear to facilitate positive outcomes by increasing appropriate behaviors, thus enabling students to participate fully in the educational environment. In conclusion, token economies, if used correctly, show to elicit positive behaviors in students. Identified behaviors need to be specific and observable. Reinforcers must be viewed by students as desirable in order for them to be effective. This concludes the evidence-based instructional strategy known as the token economy. Thanks for watching.